Hey guys, it's Ryan here at Bell Camper Sales coming to you here on Highway 75 in Bartlesville. Just wanted to show you guys some of our new inventory that we've got here today. Now this is a 360 video, so you'll be able to, up there in that top right corner, kind of follow around and see where I'm walking. You can follow me around as I talk about it or look at what you want. So without further ado, let's check this new camper out. This is a 2021 Gulf Stream GEO. This one's about 27 foot long. This is the 25 BHS. So about 25 livable space, and then end to end about 27, a little over 27 foot. This is half-ton towable, and this we'll have a couple different takes here. We'll have our kitchen area, entertainment, the front bedroom, and then our rear bedroom that's got our bathroom in it as well. So let's check this thing out here. We've got our gas-operated refrigerator, also freezer up top there. This one unit does have the oven, 3-burner stove. Then it also has the microwave up top here as well. A nice sized sink, both sides to it there. Got the covers to it as well. Got storage over top of this one. Storage below. Also, this one's got the little bit bigger U-shaped dinette. That U-shaped dinette obviously will break down into a sleeping area for a couple more sleeps there. Up front here, you got your entertainment center. So this is where you mount your TV. Got your stereo here. Storage up top. This will have your Bluetooth speakers for indoor and outdoor. A little bit of storage underneath here as well. And then in the back of this is where the bunks are. These are double bunks. 250-pound rating on each of these, so you can fit a couple kids on each of those. Storage here for a couple spots to put some clothes. Also another spot here as well. So let's go check out the bathroom. Alright folks, here we are in the bathroom. Oh, whoa, that shower's cold. We've got the removable head here as well. Have a little bit of storage here on the sides. Upper, lower, underneath. Have your medicine cabinet there. Nice toilet here with it. Also have your max air vent fan there. Get you a little bit of air circulation in here as well. A vent for your AC, so this stay nice and cool in here as well. And also a duct at the bottom for your furnace. So a couple nice features there for it as well. Alright, now here we are in that front bedroom, folks. You'll notice here we got our TV mount here that'll mount just right here in front of you. Ducted in air for get you some cooler air in here. Storage over top. This is a queen size bed here. Also have your wardrobes on both sides for hanging your clothes up. Down here where you may not be able to see, but there are also plug-ins for CPAP machine, charging your cell phones, anything like that. USB ports there as well. So your light here also can go on and off. So that's pretty much this camper for you. Again, this was the 2021 Gulf Stream GEO 25 BHS. It is half-ton towable. We got one in stock. Come see us down here at Bell Camper Sales. We'd love to get you camping. My name's Ryan.